masyadong nahihirapan dyan sa defense side.
And if you notice, partner, all of the players of Batok are touching the ball in every sequence. So tingnan natin. Ayan na, si Eligado. What a move by Eligado!
So, 6 points na sa ating laro is that transition play,
Yes.
partner.
Ayan na, what a move. Ayan na, si Jamir Eligado and partner. Nobody expected Batok to be in this kind of
Yes,
situation.
hindi madali, partner, yung trabaho nitong dalawang big guys nitong Matlog because of the presence of Upper Mondragon sa ilalim of Team Kasiguran.
Tama ka dyan. And also, ayan na, Graida wants an isolation against Hagad. Graida attacks with a Pinoy step using the glass. Misses the shot. Alden with the board. What a pass to Garcera.
Very unselfish talaga, ha.
Kala for Trey.
Wala pa rin. And back to Bulusan possession. And there you go! With an exclamation point.
Ilya.
Nag-ala Spider-Man siya doon, partner. Tingnan mo.
Yes, we knew it. That it was coming. It's his first point, I guess, of the ball game.
Yan ang sabing bari-bari sa Bicol.
Pero si Alvinia binigay dito kay Uwe. Wants to attack. Short jumper. Block by Lasala. Dazzle Paul is ahead. Aspe binigay kay Orada.
And Orada finishes with a right from Aspe.
Coming off the bench. Talagang very exceptional, partner, yung pinapakita dito ni Graida sa ating liga.
Yan si Cyrus Gonzalez binigay dito kay Eligado. Alden with the fake. Kicks it out to Garcera for Trey. Kaboom!
Have the possession. Malaking factor na nawala yung scoring contribution itong sila Sala, no, sa pagpasok sa... Yan naman si Jeb Bulawan!
Bulawan
With
with
his
a
own
slam.
version of a slam.
Si Graida to attack the basket, but sabi ni Haber kanina medyo hindi na pwede yung mga ganyan. And after the sequence, si Dulak partner ni Haber talagang don't mess with me, sabi ni Haber. Kaya ayan na, Habla binigay kay Hamila. Mentes ka. Ayan na si Hafer beating the buzzer with that booming triple. And that is the veteran Haber Mondragon for you, partner. Nakapag-force ng turnover itong Kasiguran. Right now, the score is 5-0. And wala pang naibubuslo itong Matlog sa larong ito.
But good thing, partner, yung aggressiveness ni Cyril Gonzalez at the early stage ng ating first quarter is nandun, no? But again, meron na turnover. But again, sa kabila, ito naman si Paras, partner, ang sumagot for Team Kasiguran.
Yes,
A minute tayo dito sa ating second quarter.
yan na si Ivan Ayala, guarded by Matos. Ituman game para dito kay Ayala. Ayala, what a pass sa ilalim. Orada against two defenders. Lasala with a putback slam.
Oh!
Look at Alvinia guarding Dazzle Paul Aspe.
He knows kung
What is
ano
the
ang
value
value.
talaga?
Anong value nitong si Dazzle Paul
Yan na si
Aspe.
Ayala attacking. Missing the shot. Uwe. Uh-oh. Uwe is all alone. And he slams, partner. Uwe means business, partner, right now.
Yeah, he brings it home with authority.
He is focused. And sabi niya gusto niya manalo at gusto niya ulit makabalik sa finals kasi alam naman natin, partner, si Uwe is a part din ng ating Ako Bicol Cup Kamsur with Naga Squad. Gusto niya bumawi. So take a look sa alam naman natin